Did you know that a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? Let's dive into this surprising phenomenon. Sneezes are your body's way of removing irritants from your nose or throat. A sneeze can be quite powerful. In fact, it can travel up to 100 miles per hour and expel around 100,000 germs into the air. And have you ever wondered why we close our eyes when we sneeze? It's a reflex action, which means we don't really have control over it. And despite the popular myth, your eyes won't pop out if you sneeze with them open. Here's a fun fact. Sunlight can cause sneezing. It's a genetic trait called the photic sneeze reflex, and it affects up to 1/3 of the population. Fascinated by the strange workings of the human body? Hit like, share, and subscribe for more Did You Know episodes. What's a fun body fact you've learned recently? Share it with us in the comments.